Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and what you're looking at now is we're walking up to the new pool, and we're going to talk about Palapa RV Beach Resort. Easy access off Highway 87 and easy access to the beach. And the great part is Palapa RV Beach Resort is on the quiet end of the beach. So when you go down to the beach down there, you don't have near the traffic that you would in Crystal Beach. Now, Palapa RV Beach Resort is an awesome RV park. They get a lot of winter Texans in there, and they get a lot of people that come in by the week in the summertime and sometimes weekends. The owners are really great about taking care of the place. In fact, what you're looking at right now is the new pool that just got in, and it's heated. But it's not all they have up there. They have a clubhouse. They also have a barbecue area up there, and they always have a lot of fun around the pool, both kids and adults. And that's one thing about Palapa RV Beach Resort. It's real family friendly. In fact, they rent golf carts there. So if you come in for the weekend, maybe you want to shuttle back and forth to the beach, what better way to do it than a golf cart? And as you can see, the clubhouse is first class, and they do have functions at it, socials and potlucks and things like that throughout the year. And it's just, I can't explain how awesome it is. Now, they went in this winter and put in a new pool, but not only a new pool, they also put in a new deck. And they're really dressing up the place. Not that it wasn't before, but it really looks nice when I was up there shooting this video. You can see there's plenty of room around Palapa RV Beach Resort to park your vehicles, maybe a boat trailer, and just get out and relax. A lot of people have a campfire here and there as long as there's not a burn ban. But the big part is it's easy access, and you have your own private access to the beach. You don't have to go down a road. You don't have to go down a path. You have a cement path with a bridge that goes over the dunes to the beach. And as you can see, they're pretty popular because of the traffic that they get in there. So I love working with Palapa RV Beach Resort. There's some great owners that really care about the people that are there. They're like family. In fact, a lot of them come back weekend after weekend, or at least once a month, just to relax, vacation, and live the coastal life. The great part is the birding around there is fabulous this time of year. And as you can see, getting to the location, it's easy to pull in and it's easy to pull out off Highway 87 because of the location on the eastern end of Bolivar Peninsula. So if you're looking for an awesome RV resort to stay with your own private access to the beach, a brand new pool, and a great way to relax and place to relax, whether it's at the pool or maybe a stroll to the beach. And that's what I like about it. It's an easy golf cart ride or easy stroll to the beach in the morning with coffee in hand. In fact, there's one of the golf carts that they rent, and you can get them by the day, weekend, or a week-long stay, depending on how long you're there. And the kids have things to do with an awesome playground that's kept up. So if you're looking for a place to park your RV, whether it be for a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation, make sure you check out PalapaRVBeachResort.com. A great place to stay, a great place to call home, and a great place to visit. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.